Good morning! We're back for Vlogmas Day 2. Not as cool as an intro as yesterday. No trust jumps today. We are going to get coffee this morning. So we're walking to Starbucks. I know, it's not Dunkin'. I'm a Dunkin' girl at heart, but I only really like, there's no one around me. I only really like Dunkin' iced coffee, which we did have a Dunkin' iced coffee recently and it was so good. But it's a little too cold for an iced coffee right now. So we are going to get Starbucks this morning. A nice little,
an omelet, right?
No, Noah's obsessed with going to this little breakfast place by our apartment. But we go there so much, we're gonna be broke. We could make an omelet.
Not as good as their omelet.
Oh my gosh. Noah won and he got his eggs. We brought it up on our rooftop. It's so bright up here, but we're gonna eat up here just for like a change of scenery. It's just unreal views. We should come up here more often. We're back and I have my pajamas on again. So we finished our breakfast up there. Sorry if I was like awkward out there. There was like one person up there and I felt really uncomfortable. And it turned out to be a mini celebrity. Noah doesn't have a shirt on.
Lindsay was fangirling.
Cover that. I wasn't
so
fangirling. Cover that up. You're gonna get me demonetized. I'll hide it. So it was Joel from Heart of Dixie. He was on our roof. He lives here. And I was just like, and I would only know who he is because I just watched the season like 2 months ago. If I hadn't recently rewatched it, I would have no idea who he was. I've only seen him in those few episodes.
I've never seen you fangirl over somebody so hard before.
It's just because I just watched the show.
Like you've met John Legend, Jack Black, and you're like, yeah, whatever, but Heart of Dixie.
I was just like, that's him!
I know him!
But we came back and we took showers and got ready, and now it's time to clean. We probably should have cleaned and then showered.
Show them the wreck.
Oh, it's bad. It's bad. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do a speed clean.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
We actually found the piece to the tree topper when we were cleaning. It must have gotten pushed under the couch or something. We found the piece that you connect to put it on the tree so it's not just a stick. I just ran to the gas station below us just to get the batteries for the tree topper, and he's also gonna get a lighter so we can light a candle. I did get some candles from Bath & Body Works when they were having that buy 3 get 3 free sale. I'll show you that in tomorrow's video though. I'm gonna do a little bit of a haul because we did have to get some stuff. We moved in, we needed some winter clothes and some winter boots, and I needed the candles and stuff. So I'll show you all that in tomorrow's video, but we are gonna go ahead and light one. But first, I keep having to come back down here. I'm gonna make us some protein smoothies. We're gonna have lunch in a little bit, but we have just been a little bit sore because of all the movement that we're not used to. So I thought having a little bit extra protein might help. I'm gonna do protein, banana, the rest of our spinach. Pups, treat. A treat. Look, a treat. Come here. What are you doing? Treat. Okay, Milo's gonna get one. Sit. Good girl. Oh, good catch. Where's the treat? And treat? Oh, are you stressed? been sitting on the couch. When you were gone, I gave them both a treat. He like wouldn't come get it. I was saying I feel like he's probably stressed because of the boxes. He probably thought we were moving.
You got it.
I was scared. Okay. Oh my, like my abdomen popped. Like it's not working anymore.
All right.
No! 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 I don't know if he's gonna work. Shoot.
Here, I have an
Here.
idea.
Okay. We tried that. What if I just, oh, sorry.
Okay. All right.
Oh, smart. Here, what if I just stand up here?
We're good there.
Oh!
Oh!
Yay! Mwah. Alright, gonna get down.
Ski.
Oh, yes!
Co-Christmas.
Woo! Alright. Yeah, that's actually really cute. Holiday tour is on! Woo! Here is an overview of our living room. We've got our Bath & Body Works candle on our table. Nice and festive. You turn around and we have the garland on our media center. And behind our garland, we have these two pretty cute little houses. Come this way. And you've got our little trees from the Dollar Center at Target. Dollar section at Target, excuse me. To your left on our windowsill over here, you have my little tree village farm. I love that the light is coming through and it looks like they have little lights on in their houses. Yay! Okay, to the right of it, we have our 25 days until Christmas, which we actually need to switch to 24 for this video. Whoa, and then come down here and we've got our stockings. And then to the left, we have our beautiful tree. I am very okay that we got an artificial tree now because it looks beautiful. I love all our ornaments. They look kind of silver on camera, but these are actually more of a gold color. You can tell this one, but this one's more like a champagne-ish, in between silver and gold. And then you can see this one's more gold. Beautiful, and the tree topper looks marvelous. Wow. I might show a few more clips later when it's a little less bright in here. If not, you'll see it a million more times. We kept it really minimal this year because we usually go all out, but just because like I feel like with the big windows and the New York City skyline behind it, that this looked really good and kind of matched the vibe, and it's all like chic and New Yorkish and pretty, and I love it. I love Christmas. Okay, I got way too excited. And then we didn't do much else in this room since we ended up taking all the red stuff into the bedroom, but we did leave this guy out here, our little Grinch box, just because he's green. It's like a Grinch Santa. How cute, it's a little fake plant. This box we got at Michael's forever ago. And then the only things I added in this room is we put Santa's little boots next to our big mirror, and then I added these pine cones in here. I wish they were like snow covered ones, that would be pretty. Maybe we'll do that next year. And then I just needed somewhere to put this cute little squirrel. All right, when you walk into the bedroom, it's a little hard to see everything because it's so bright. The lights are actually on in the tree, but you can't see it too well just because of how bright it is in here. Look at the view, how pretty is that? I'm actually really glad we put the tree in here. So we've got this small tree from last year, and then we added the little doggy stockings in here. We have this cute ornament that we got. It actually really matches with this tree, so it works perfectly. Everything in here is already red. We added these two little red like buffalo plaid trees we've had. I still need to cut these off, don't hate me. And I also added our little buffalo plaid Santa. We've had this for a while too. And then turn around on our bed, we just added these two pillows. And then on top of our dresser, we added our two cute little owls. How cute are these guys? Alright guys, thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 2. This one's a little shorter, but I hope you enjoyed the big holiday home tour, and I'll be back tomorrow, I think, with a Black Friday haul. As you can hear the beautiful background noise of New York City, I promise it's not like that all the time. We're gonna have a lazy Sunday, oh my gosh, and just do a Dexter marathon. We just started watching it recently and we're so into it. We're already on season 4, so yeah, we gotta finish this so that we can start all of our Christmas movies really soon. So that's our excuse to watch Dexter the rest of the night. So we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.